60 out of 100 people have a business idea at some point in life. How many do something about it, you think? Only 5. And out of those 5, how many fail and how many succeed? I'll give you the answer in just a little bit. And those that do succeed, what on earth are they doing right? Most people starting online have absolutely no idea what they're doing. Very few people do what everybody should do. That is, join a program to get the step-by-step blueprint and guidance to go from A to Z, to go from the ground and up. I assure you, the people that do succeed online have had mentors and a program to follow. They didn't just go out there and randomly succeed on their own. So why do only 5 out of 100 people pursue their dream? Well, it's because most people have no idea what to do. It's typically nothing we learn about in school. What drives these 5, I know, is the wish for freedom in most cases. They feel that a full-time job cannot provide the freedom that they want, the freedom to travel, see their kids, take care of their aging parents, etc. So they pursue a dream of a business of their own. Because you know, in the online space, you can work anywhere, anytime, there are no chains. You might have started already, uploading a couple of videos to YouTube, maybe Instagram, but it's not structured and it's probably not targeting a certain audience properly, right? Maybe you're feeling insecure about things too. And you're probably thinking of giving up several times a day, am I right? Even though you haven't even started yet. So you might have good intentions, but you're not really getting anywhere. Maybe simply because you don't know what to do. So with us, you can go from having no online skills to becoming confident, skilled, and successful. A master marketer, in other words. On this channel, we'll help you build something you love. And joining a program is the fastest and safest way to succeed. Live webinars, exercises that need to be completed, etc. It all holds you accountable and motivated, and you keep taking action. And small daily actions generate the big results in the end. And once you've learned, it's just a matter of time. Because if you can do it once, you can repeat it and do it twice, right? And then 100 times and then 1,000 times. Getting momentum will slingshot you forward. And your self-belief will increase with every lead you get. So if you're thinking of starting an online business and you haven't joined the Launch You program yet, I'd love for you to join us. Go to malinlindblom.com to get guidance on the next step to take. Launch You is an online business curriculum. It's a step-by-step blueprint that you can follow. And it helps you build a business from the ground and up. And then only the sky is the limit. And learning about stuff you have no clue about, it's all there neatly packaged for you to step-by-step follow. So those that fail, what do they do wrong and what don't they do? Well, most people failing don't stick to a one strategy. They're all over the place, spreading themselves too thin. And no wonder, there are so many opportunities out there. How do you even know which one to grab and which ones to let go of? Example of a strategy could be paid ads on YouTube. Another could be growing your audience organically on YouTube. Or people just quit because they don't have the right skills. They give up. Something else that is typical is that though they do know what to do, they stop grinding. And again, it comes down to holding yourself accountable, staying motivated, and keep taking action, sticking with it. So if you're wavering, not sure this online business stuff is for you, check out malinlindblom.com and give yourself the facts and the experiences you need in order to take a qualified decision whether this is for you or not. Oh, and the numbers. So 5 out of 100 pursue a dream. How many fail and how many succeed? Well, actually, after 10 years, 2 will still be in business. The other 3 will have failed at 2 years, 5 years, and 10 years. So in order to prevent that from happening to you, you need to click malinlindblom.com and opt in for the free workshops that are down there to help you take step-by-step action towards success. See you in the next video.